Hi, I'm Victor Finkelstein with Kansas City Accident Injury Attorneys. Today we're going to talk about 4 things you must do once you've had an accident at work. You've had an accident at work. Now what? Whether you know it or not, there are certain things you absolutely must do in order to protect yourself and a potential work injury claim. First and foremost, you must report the accident and potential injury to your supervisor or employer. Notice of the injury in writing to your employer is required in both Missouri and Kansas. In both Missouri and Kansas, the general rule is that you must report the accident and injury within 30 days or risk a denial of benefits. The notice must be in writing and notify the employer of the time, place, and nature of the accident and injury suffered. Second, you must seek medical care immediately. Although you may not feel that you have been seriously injured due to the accident, it is in your best interest to get checked out by a doctor. Your employer is required to provide medical care in connection with any work-related accident or injury. Because of this requirement, your employer has the right to select the treating physician. You may ask if you can see your own doctor. However, your employer is not obligated to allow this. Please be aware that private health insurance does not usually cover work-related injuries, and attempting to use your health insurance may result in you facing an unnecessary medical bill. If you want your employer to pay for your medical care, you should go to the authorized physicians only. Unless your accident involves the need for emergency medical care at a hospital, you will typically be referred to an occupational or industrial medical clinic for examination and evaluation. Although these doctors may be friendly, please understand that it is their job to get you back to work as quickly as possible. Sometimes this can cause friction when you feel that you were not able to return to your job. Third, you must be certain that you tell the treating physician about all of your complaints. The medical providers treating you are not mind readers. In order for you to receive all necessary treatment, it is important that you tell them all of your complaints and symptoms. While this may seem obvious, it is all too common that patients forget to tell the medical providers about everything that they are experiencing, or simply focus on what they believe is the worst problem they have. In order to get the treatment that is necessary, be certain that the treating doctor knows all of your problems. Even if not all are treated initially, they have been documented and are in the records. Fourth, you must follow the directions of the treating doctor. Unless you are hospitalized or otherwise seriously injured, the treating occupational doctor will give you a return to work or work status slip indicating that you can return to work with certain physical restrictions. Regardless of your feelings about the restrictions, you must provide a copy of the restrictions to your employer and find out whether your employer has a job for you to do within those restrictions. If your employer does not have such a job, you will remain off work and be able to receive temporary total disability workers' compensation benefits. If your employer has such a job, you must return to work and work within the restrictions provided. Be sure to watch our follow-up video for more things you must do following an accident at work. Of course, if you have any questions about any of this, please feel free to call us for a free consult here at Kansas City Accident Injury Attorneys, 816-471-5111, or visit our website at kansascityaccidentinjuryattorneys.com.